It seems like doing lots of math strengthens your logic and thinking skills, which ends up being helpful in many other areas of life. Have you felt this way?
I actually have felt that way. In fact, I annoy many people because I'll see some claim in a newspaper, and I can break it down logically because of my math training, and I can see that, no, that's an invalid deduction. Or if I'm having a discussion with someone, I am willing to accept someone's argument if it's correct. I'm just not willing to accept it if it's invalid. And so they'll tell me something, I'll say, well, that's not quite true. And then they'll tell me something else, and then I'll still critique that argument, and then they think I'm just being, what's the word, obstreperous? They think I'm just trying to be argumentative in a negative way, but I'm not. I am willing to go through 20 iterations to get to a valid argument, but most people after 2 just get angry. So.
Because I took a logic class for a philosophy minor, and I just remember after that being able to see clearly mistakes in people's arguments.
Exactly, yes. It's very helpful in that respect.
I remember once in class you made a comment that mathematicians like to think they know things like sociology when they really don't.
So what happens is there are mathematicians at places like Princeton, and they are egotistical because they've received nothing but high praise since graduate school. And so they then think they know everything about everything, as opposed to just knowing about their own narrow branch of math. But there is that famous person, whose name starts with S, but I don't remember who it was, who I think wrote a bogus paper in the humanities and got it published in some humanities journal, and then came out and told people that he actually was just writing nonsense, that none of it made sense, but it got accepted anyway. I don't know if that guy was a mathematician or if he was a physicist. I'm thinking so-called, that's the name I have in mind, but I don't remember exactly.
The camera looks like it's overheating again.
You said we have to leave at 2:30?
Yeah, so, and yeah, we do have to get going. So I think that's it.
Okay,
for
great.
today, Dr. Farley.